Hi everyone, welcome back to Rupee Wisdom, your go to channel for all things money and investments. Quick question: if you had to choose between investing Rs 5 lakh at once or Rs 5,000 every month, which would you pick? Most people lean towards the lump sum, but here's the twist: the disciplined Rs 5,000 SIPI can actually outperform it over time. Today, we'll explore what SIP is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for building wealth. Let's dive into the magic of SIP, systematic investment plan. It's a way to invest in mutual funds regularly, like a recurring deposit, but with much better returns. Instead of letting Rs 5,000 sit idle, SIP puts it to work, compounding at 10-15% annually. That's why SIP is often called a wealth building machine. Small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. So, how does SIP work? First, you choose a fund, decide on an amount, and set a date for auto deduction. You buy units at the day's NRV, which means sometimes you buy high, sometimes low, averaging your cost over time. This is known as rupee cost averaging, and it's a game changer. For example, if you invest over 3 months, your average cost can be much lower than the market price. Now, let's talk about why SIP is so powerful. Compounding is key. Invest Rs 5,000 pound this month for 20 years at 12%, and you could end up with over Rs 50 lakhs. But delay by just 5 years and you lose almost half of that potential. SIP also promotes discipline. Auto debit means you won't skip a month and consistency leads to wealth. Plus, it's flexible. Start with as little as Rs 500 and adjust your investment anytime. SIP is perfect for salaried individuals, aligning with your monthly income and expenses. There are different types of SIPs to suit your needs. Regular SIPs are straightforward, while step up SIPs let you increase your investment as your salary grows. Perpetual SIPs run until you decide to stop, and trigger SIPs adjust based on market conditions. So, why choose SIPI over fixed deposits or direct stocks? Fixed deposits are safe but yield only 6-7%, which barely keeps up with inflation. Stocks can offer high returns but come with risks and require research. SEP strikes a balance. It's diversified, managed by professionals, and offers long term returns of around 10-15%. However, SIP isn't without risks. Market fluctuations can affect NAV, but that's when SIPI buys more units at lower prices. Choosing the wrong fund can lead to poor returns, and stopping early means missing out on compounding benefits. Inflation can also erode returns if you stick only to debt funds. But remember, long term investors often reap the rewards. Ready to start your SIPI? First, complete your KYC online, then choose a platform like Grove or Zerodha. Select your fund type: equity for growth, debt for stability, or a mix with hybrid funds. Decide on your investment amount and set a date for auto debit. For instance, if you start at 25 and invest Rs 5,000 monthly in a Nifty 50 index fund, you could have Rs 50 60 lakhs after 20 years. To maximize your SIPI returns, stay invested for the long term, diversify your portfolio, and consider a step up strategy. And don't stop during market crashes. That's when you can buy more units at a discount. Let's bust some common myths about SIPI. SIP is not an investment itself, it's just a method of investing. It doesn't guarantee returns as it's market linked, and it's not just for beginners. Even high net worth individuals use SIPs to grow their wealth. Let's look at some real life examples to see the impact of SIP. For instance, a Rs 10,000 SIP in Nifty 50 from 2003 to 23 would have grown from Rs 24 lakhs to Rs 2.5 crores. And during the 2008 crash, those who continued their SIPs saw their investments multiply later. The lesson here is simple: patience and discipline lead to wealth. In conclusion, SAP is a straightforward, disciplined approach to long term wealth creation. Small amounts can lead to significant wealth over time, so don't wait. Start your SIP today, even if it's just Rs 500. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Rupee Wisdom. And let me know in the comments: have you started your SIP? How much are you investing? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.